Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Crystal over at the Brick Wall Shop on the Poshmark app. I'm a part-time reseller, full-time mom, and Coast Guard wife. If you like this video, click subscribe below, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, follow me on the Instagram, over on Instagram at the Brick Wall Shop and Poshmark at the Brick Wall Shop. So, I last did a video about what I learned at Poshfest 2019. I mentioned in there that when I got home, I got a Goodwill blue box and that I might do an unboxing. So here it is. I did already open it right when well, not right when I saw it, but shortly after I got home, and I kind of peeked through it. And when I was waiting for my last video to load, I started going through and doing some comps. But I haven't looked up everything. I haven't really looked at everything, just a few things. So let me get to it and show you. So it comes in this, I don't want to show you my address, but this is the box. It's fairly heavy. It's 12 by 12 by 12. You open it up, and this is what it looks like. So it comes with this, just, you know, about sustainability, their programs, a thank you, they want you to follow them, and an invoice. So I actually bought 2 blue boxes because it's the same for shipping if you buy 2 versus 1, and the shipping's $8. So, and I used, they have a discount code for ambassadors if you tag them on Instagram. So these were $19.99 a piece. I could only get a size small. That's all that was available at the time. So I got 2 of those. Subtotal $35.99, shipping $7.99, discount $3.99. My total price was $43.98, so $44 basically. And it's supposed to be, I think, 10 to 12 pieces, 12 to 14. I don't know. I'm not for sure. Anyway, so this is what it looks like when you open it. I was really excited about this Vera Bradley bag because that was the first thing I saw when I opened it, because it's brand new with tags. $44. I did look this up. It's like a cell phone, or it's a Your Turn smartphone wristlet in Sierra Stream. I don't know much about Vera Bradley, but I know it usually sells pretty well. But it's brand new. So I looked it up. The comps look like I probably list it for around $30, and you know, after fees, you know, offer, I should make, I'm hoping to make like 20 bucks. So that's almost half the cost of my box. Next is this long sleeve dress by Antone and Lily. I don't know if you could see that. So I looked it up, and somebody had it listed as an anthropology dress. And I was like looking at the tag. I don't see the RN number. It doesn't look like an anthropology tag to me. It's kind of faded on this side. So I don't know, but I don't know, it's a cute long sleeve dress, good for fall, winter. I don't know what I did with my notes here, but I think I'm gonna list it for like $25. Next is this express top. It's like kind of glittery, shimmer, whatever. On top, and then it, you know, it's this underneath, which is really soft, but it's express. I don't know, I'll probably list it for 15 bucks. Take whatever I can get, probably. Next is this H&M. Looks like it's new because it still has this on it, but it's H&M Coachella official collection. It's H&M. I don't think I can get much. I'll probably list it for 12 bucks. I try not to list anything less than 12 just because I need to make room for offers, and I don't want someone offering me $5 unless it's in a bundle. Then I don't mind $5. Next, I don't know this brand. Essentials by Full Tilt. It's like this bat wing cardigan, like short sleeve cardigan, like, I don't know, whatever. It's cute, it's soft, but it's lightweight. I don't know that brand, and I probably won't list it for much. If you know any of these brands that I don't know, leave a comment below. Next are these Abercrombie and Fitch pants. They're plaid, and then they have a slit at the bottom on both sides. I don't think they're wool. Oh no, they are. They're 59% wool. So I think I looked these up, and I think I might list them for around 30. Next, this shirt is super soft. It's this little graphic tee, like muscle shirt by Papaya. Again, I didn't see much listed under this brand. It has like this like slit kind of thing on the side. It's pretty cute for summer, but or if someone is gonna go somewhere tropical during the winter. I don't think I can list it for much, but we'll see. And next is this Banana Republic top. It's a 6 petite. I don't think I've sold one petite item, and I have a handful of petite items. They just don't sell for me. And it's also a factory brand, a factory Banana Republic. So again, I'll probably list it pretty low. Next are these mud shorts. Again, it's fall. I don't know who's gonna buy them. I don't know about Mud brands. I don't remember where Mud's sold. Isn't it sold like Kohl's or something like that? So I don't think I can get much out of these, but I'll try. Which I'm thinking about expanding to Mercari a little bit more. So I might try to list those on Mercari, because I've heard lower end brands go better there. So that was the last thing that I looked up, started looking up comps for. So I don't know the rest. Anyway, there's this loft skirt, which I think is super cute. You know, the trim at the bottom, zips on the side, pockets. Everybody loves pockets. I know I love pockets. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's cotton. Looking for the tag. Oh, here we go. Linen. So, I don't know. I think I could get an okay amount for this because it's not a factory loft top or skirt, sorry. Next, there's this little purse, little wristlet. It's cute, but it's Charming Charlie. So it's super cute inside. Like, it's pretty practical, but I don't know how well Charming Charlie stuff sells. I know when the store, this stuff's not that expensive, so we'll see. Next, I will tell you, There's one item in here. I haven't looked up the comps. That I was really excited about because everybody talks about it and it usually goes for a lot. Anyway, there's this like cotton, maybe linen. Sorry, I have to. Where is it? I don't see the tag. Anyway, it's like cotton, maybe possibly linen blazer, like striped. Well, I guess I'm not selling this because it's missing a button there. There's the button, and it doesn't have any extras. It's super cute. Like, this is orange, polka dots, and like kind of like polka dots. But yeah, so I don't tend to sell stuff like this because I don't want to buy it. So I don't, and it's not like some high-end brand. Next, mud pie dress. It's pretty thin. Maybe it's a cover-up because it has this string. I don't know, but again, not a high-end brand, and probably not something I can get much out of. Next is this H&M dress. Again, it's cute in the back here. It has this little buttons at the back. Anyway, it's cute, but again, I don't think I can sell it for much. Probably list it for 20. I have to look up the comps, but next, this top I was excited about because it's St. John. I have to look up comps, but I think this could go for enough to maybe make up the cost of the whole box. I don't know, we'll see. And I probably will get most of this stuff listed. Hopefully I will get it listed on Poshmark before this video airs. So if you're interested in anything, go over to Poshmark at Brickwall Shop and look for it. Next, this isn't a brand I know. Star City. It's a Logan pants, just like a straight leg trouser. I don't know anything about this brand, so I don't know what the comps look like on it. Next is this ink dress. I think, don't they sell this at Macy's? It's like sheer here. Anyway, I don't know how much this brand sells for because I've never sold it before. Next, this was another shirt that I was pretty excited about. It's a Brooks Brothers shirt, but it's just like a simple women's dress shirt, but I know Brooks Brothers isn't cheap. So hopefully between that and St. John's, I can make my money and some. So it'll be worth getting mud pie. Next is this Gap fit. So it's like a dry fit, but it's kind of cute because it has this little cross thing in the top and these on the bottom. I don't know how much that will sell for. Probably not much, but we'll try. Next is this Ann Taylor top. Looks like a leaf print, but it's just like a basic top, so we'll see. Next, so Avia, I think. I have heard of this. I think I've like stuff I've bought at TJ Maxx, but it's a hoodie, and it feels like an insulated thing. I don't think this brand goes for much. It has this. I hope that it's not supposed to have some kind of string in it. So we'll see. I will look up sell it. If you know anything about this, anything that I have here, if you're interested in buying anything, you can always message me through YouTube, Instagram, and not go through Poshmark. Next is this pink and Taylor loft mock, like, I guess not a mock wrap, but it's like a V-neck with a little bow. I don't know what this, oh, it's rayon and nylon. So next, let's see, XOXO dress. It's like a silky going out little black dress. Oh, it does have straps here, and they're adjustable. I don't think this brand goes for much, but the waistband, it's like a fake leather, and the rest is like a silky material. And next, there's, I don't know this brand. Doc and Amelia by Cintas. Still has like the button attached here, but they're just a basic black straight leg pant. So I have to look that one up too. Next, Forever 21. Still has a tag on it. It was $17.90. Pretty sure I can't get much for that, even with tag. And last, a Jones New York short sleeve sweater top. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 26 items for $44. Not bad. I definitely think that I could probably make a couple $100 off the whole thing, even if I can't sell some of it. Because I think just on the St. John, the Vera Bradley, and the Brooks Brothers shirt probably will more than make my money back. So tell me what you think. Hit subscribe down below. Give me a thumbs up. Any brands that I didn't know, tell me what you might know about them. Help me out here. And I will see you later. And let me know what else you want to see.